Welcome to NorthBamaWX. Let's check weather conditions across our region. We're currently monitoring a flood watch across the region. Flood watch in effect for Madison, Morgan, Marshall, Jackson, DeKalb, Coleman in Alabama, and more, Lincoln, Franklin in Tennessee. That's your regional weather update from NorthBamaWX. Stay weather aware. There is one active tropical system in the Atlantic Basin. Tropical Storm Bertha is currently located in the Gulf of America, packing maximum sustained winds of 46 miles per hour. The storm is approximately 41 miles from Lake Charles. Louisiana Gulf storms can bring heavy rainfall and flooding to